Now let's talk about nodal point definitions. Now, now let's talk about nodal points definitions. As I mentioned before, we have three main pairs of cardinal points: focal points, F, F prime, principal points, P, P prime, and nodal points. In this lecture, we want to talk about nodal points, which we use n and n prime for indicating the nodal points. Now let's talk about what is the definition of the nodal point. When you have a ray that is hitting a point, let's don't put any name for that, and then exit the lens with the same angle to the optical axis, the points that satisfy this situation, we call them nodal points of the lens. So when the rays is hitting the nodal point of the lens, we can say always the angle from that ray to the optical axis is gonna remain the same. So it has a lot of imaging applications. For example, if you put a lens on the nodal point, when you rotate the lens, the angle is gonna remain the same and you're gonna get the same magnification. But what is the mathematical definition of the nodal points? When you have n1 and n3 on both sides of the lens and you have n2 in the middle, if n1 is equal to n3, then the nodal points is going to coincide with the principal points. So you just need to find the principal points, like what I explained before, and then you can automatically find the position of the nodal points. And you don't need to do anything else. You just need to find principal points, and from principal points you can find the nodal points. But the physical definition is very important. Even sometimes without any calculation, by just looking at your lens, you can say my nodal points is at this point because it can satisfy this situation. And I'm gonna explain it in a few examples that even without solving the lens, you can find the nodal points of the lens.